Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are going to see how to work with a list of numbers. How we are going to loop through the list of numbers, okay? So for that we have range of function. It is used to generate a series of numbers, okay? For example, here in this for loop I have taken for num. Num is a temporary variable which is going to pull value from this function range, okay? Range of 1, 11. So in this 1 is the starting point and 11 is the ending point, and this is the for loop definition, and inside that for loop I have only one line written here. So that is, it is just this number. I'm just printing this number with with words that it is, okay? So another point you have to really keep in your mind is in range of function it always starts your sequence with your first. So in this output you can clearly see that the numbers are printed from 1 till 10. The last value will not be included. So you have to keep this in your mind. In range of function, your last value or your ending point will not be included. Okay. So if you really wish to get 10 numbers in sequence, then don't give your endpoint as 10. Give it as 11. Only then till 10 you can get output. Otherwise, your output will stop with 9. Okay. And actually you can pass only one argument. It will start from 0. Like you can just mention the ending point. So for that you see same example like for num in range of 10. So here I have not given the starting point, but this thing is ending point. So we'll get numbers from 0 to 9. 10 will not be included. So yes, this is output. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you really understand this. So write your own sequence of numbers, create your own sequence of numbers, and play with this concept of for loop, and it is very, very necessary for you to understand it very clearly. So that's it. So friends, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye-bye. Take care.